My back hat. Okay, can I like find it?
Yeah. So I remember thinking it was really cute. Like, because they were behind us and they were like chatting. I'll just get my ass.
Fishy got dreams.
I would use my shield. I'd be like, like that. What if we both just go down? Yeah, we'll just down. Yeah, run. That's just cool. Run. I just thought that would take it. Not and then defeat. Yeah, I think you're right.
Fish. Ma, you'd be so lucky if you was on my roller coaster. You get a good view. What if it hit you? All the roller coaster.
They turned it to a musical. I'd hate going on a fair ride without music there.
Fishy got dreams.
I need to know that line. Who's it right? That's nice. Is it? No, it isn't.
Oh my god, it's smoking over there.
There's smoking.
I think someone hit them.
Probably.
Rowan, it's not a great pick, is it? What you do is you need to turn the exposure down so you can get it better. Why do you keep turning up? Where we are isn't great though because they got all the fair lights on and all the thingy lights. So you can't really see them.
He's probably been dreaded us doing that.
Well, okay.
They're not very good.
Right, Buzz.
This is really great.
I found the Halloween music band appreciated this year. Music is so hard. Makes me sick. Oh my lord. I didn't hear Thriller once. Wait, stop. Wait. He just went. Yeah, he did it. To say this way. Can't believe he did this. He just did that. No, he did that. He needed to put it by I told you it. You should have been an announcer. You actually remember stuff like rather well. Because you had seen the video a few times and you go, it's like every time it says touch your screen. So what about you? Well, you're just mad about it.
my friends from uni, and my friends came to my house, and we had it like rotating so decked out. No, she thought like I listened to the stuff and had my own songs as well as you.
We go over all the CDs on the stage.
We don't even watch it. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, I'll make a video about
It's good to contrast with
that one's a bit bent in.
that one looks a bit more bent.
Which pink did you want?
I've got two different opinions. One thing he really doesn't know. So when you see the men, they go all short hair and then one long one. That's what you do.
I hope so.
Remember at Disneyland when they did fireworks?
Yeah, it's Star Wars through the water. Yeah.
That was good. I remember that, and I remember us being like running out of the ride.
Remember when you had a granddaddy work?
No, but actually, I said I'm going to go to toilet. You were all in McDonald's, and you decided to wait outside McDonald's and didn't tell me. So I was crying in McDonald's.
Bad, no, you took it like this.
I was. You were quiet. You were at the fancy. And I was sitting in McDonald's. It's just like trauma. I literally had to ask your worker to help me.
I didn't realise that don't do that.
Yeah, I still remember it. Oh, when did it end? When does it end?
I don't know.
It's been on for 9.
About half an hour.
Half an hour.
I don't know. Can be much longer.
I was going to say half an hour.
Yeah, let's just get rid of that. That'd be good.
Global warming.
You know the red part, those? It's going to be a big. Looking at the sheet and I'm saying, look, it's going to go boom, 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 boom.
To be fair,
Oh, I might have your wardrobe door.
It's already been 15 minutes.
it's a fireworks show.
But it made my hair. It made my hair. You were like this, and then you went more like that. She got bored. She was like,
Well done.